Welcome to this review of the Rotring gift set containing the Rotring 600 mechanical pencil in 0.5mm, a pencil holder and a notebook. So this is a gift set box, writing gift set. So let's unbox this and have a look. So here we are, we have the notebook, the Rotring 600 mechanical pencil, and the pencil holder. I'll be doing a separate video review on the Rotring 600 more in depth, so I won't go into it too much detail in this review. But do look out for my separate reviews on the Rotring 600 and also the Rotring Loft 600. So the standard instructions for the 600. Let's put the pencil to one side. So this is the notebook. This is embossed, recessed with the red. Yeah, really nice quality. Embossed Rotring on the back. So pop it open. Yeah. So we have a larger margin at the top and then lined pages. There's a red ribbon to mark your page. Nice feel to this paper. It's good thick paper. Yeah, feels lovely. Then the pencil holder here. You can see the stitching on there. Again, embossed Rotring. With the elastic on the back. So this can be used on this book or any other books, I would imagine. Pop that on there. There you go. So that's how it fits. And then your pencil just slides in. Yeah, looks really nice, that. Nice and good strong grip. And very briefly, this is a Rotring 600, an all metal construction pencil. You can rotate this window for the lead hardnesses. Beautiful, strong action of lead advance. This part here is knurled, gives you a really good grip, and it's got a very good weight. The quality of the Rotring pencils is just amazing. But as I say, I'll do a more in-depth review of that pencil at a future date. So we got the pencil, the notebook, and the pencil and pen holder, or two pencils holder there. Lovely. So thank you for watching this unboxing and review today. That's the Rotring writing gift set with the 600 mechanical pencil. Please do give us a like and subscribe. Lots more videos coming up, and thank you for watching.